Ooh. Bro, I hate when I get this chair. Okay, this chair ain't gonna cut it. Hold on. Y'all hear this? Gotta get a different chair. Cause this one ain't cutting it, okay? Dumplings, welcome back to This Is Zari. If you are new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below so you too can be a dumpling. And for all of my already dumplings, I am sending good vibes and positive energy your way. Okay, so maybe some videos back, like a lot of videos back, I updated you guys, or maybe it wasn't even really an update. I just showed you guys my fabric and that's it, and I haven't updated you guys since that video, and it's really been months from now. So I was like, I should come up here, update my viewers, update my supporters on what I've been working on. Check this out. I know I'm not matching, so don't talk about me in the comments, cause for real, y'all only see from here up. So what I wear at the bottom don't even matter, but I guess I didn't really think about that because I got on my pants. I want to show y'all. So these pants right here, I've actually made these pants. Made by me. Made by me, okay? But hold on, let me get the other items for y'all so you can see what else I've made, okay? The only L's we taking over here are lessons, baby. And this is a lesson learned. This is my first time making a top like this. Let me show you. Okay, so I got the nice little one sleeve here. Look at that bow, lime green. And you know what? The only reason why this thread is orange and the thread on my pants are orange and the thread on pretty much everything else is orange, because that's all I got. I have orange thread. So I use my orange thread, okay? Even if it don't match, that's the only thread. I have orange thread, so I'm using it. So as you can see, this could be way more flattering than what it is. I am proud about the arm. I am proud about the arm. And this is one of the first times that I actually made a long sleeve, so. Let's just move on to the next item. Now this, I appreciate this. Again, the neckline. I need help with the neckline. That's something I'm just gonna have to figure out doing. But I love it. And let me show y'all at the bottom. At the bottom, it has like this cute little fluff at the end. So it's really like a little mini dress. And like you could twirl around it and it swooshes around. And I'm proud of myself for making this. But I'm going to make me another one that I can actually wear that does not have orange thread, that has the same color thread as the fabric. But for the most part, like, this is cute. This is a cute silhouette. I'm feeling it, loving it. Most likely gonna make myself this again. Oh. Alright, watch out. Okay, getting back to it. Alright, so these are my second pair of pants that I've made. And let me show y'all. I was trying to, you see the fabric? I love the fabric. It gave me real like 60s, 70s type of vibe. So I did the little flare at the bottom, right? I'm like, oh, I'm gonna be cute. But it didn't fit. First of all, they're flooded. So they really don't come to the bottom. I don't even think they reach my ankles. I think they're above my ankles. And the waist is just, it just didn't happen for me on this one. But even then, seeing me just showing you guys what my first pair of pants looked like when I made them, going from that to this, major progress. Pat on the back to me. All right, this is another something that I've made, another item, I guess we could say. This is another item that I have made. It is a face mask. You know, put it on like this, tie it up, boom. Boom, see that? Y'all see that? But I should go back to making masks and send them to people, like, for real. I should get back into it, which I probably will. Okay, so I was looking for this two-piece that I made, and I have no idea where I put it, but I will insert the image on the screen or the video on the screen of my two-piece, but I can't find it. I don't know where it's at. So I did make a really cute two-piece. It's pants and it's long sleeves. Super cute. I made it. And then there is also this really cute, like, cropped tie top that I made. It like goes in right here and it ties in the middle. I'm gonna put that on the screen too because I thought that was so cute, but I have no idea where I put that either, so I can't show you guys right here, but I will definitely insert it on the screen. This is the matching top that I made to these pants. I'm gonna have to insert a picture of the full fit because it's not catching it. the whole thing on camera, but this is the fit right here. And I would not wear this top. I would have to wait until I get better at doing necklines, because even this neckline is like, when I put the top on, it's like wide. It's real wide. My first attempt at like a regular t-shirt was a good one, but I love the pants though. The pants are really cute. I've been wearing the pants around all the time. Like, I wear my pants all the time. Now my next item, this is probably one of the cutest things that I've made. It's just so cute. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. Isn't this just darling? It's so cute. But yes, this is probably one of my favorite items that I've made. It's so pretty. It's so cute. Everything from the color to how dainty it is. Like, it goes around like this, and it got cute little ruffles. You tie it in the back, and the back is all loud. It's just, you be walking around like bam, bam. But it's cute. I love this so much. I'm gonna insert a video here of how it looks on for you guys. Ain't that cute? Ain't that cute? Now, don't you want one of these? If you are interested in having one of these from me, be sure to comment down below and let me know. And also DM me on Instagram at Coco Dumpling. I will put it on the screen here for you guys, because I'm definitely making more of these. And if you want one, you gotta let me know, okay? Bow, bow, chicken bow, bow, bow. This last one, I'm gonna put it on for you guys because it's probably, it's just, you know, this is when I was running out of fabric. This was the only fabric that I had. I told y'all before, the only colored thread that I have is orange. So, yeah, it looks a little hollow. It's giving real Halloween. It's giving real Halloween. I'm gonna just put it on. Now, the idea was a cute one. It's the print. It's the print, and it's this. The black and the orange is giving real Halloween. And then the sleeves. Really, when I first made this, the sleeve was like this small. And I was looking at this, I was like, that's not gonna fit. I know that's not gonna fit. So what I did, I cut it and then made it fit. And then I have to do it on the same thing. I don't even know how the arms became two different sizes. Not really sure, because I made this and I was like, bro, this is horrible. Let me not speak so down about it. Let me not be so critical. This is amazing because I attempted it. I'm thankful for even having the courage, the patience, but I was like, I can do better. I can do better. And I believe that. And I did better. Look, I did better. You see this dress right here? You see that? Better. You see this top right here? Better. You see these pants that actually fit? From coming from my first pair of pants to my second pair of pants, progress. That's what you call that. Progress, all right? And I'm proud of myself. So yeah, that is everything that I've made. I don't want to close out my video in this top, so I'm gonna change. Just hold on. Yeah, that is everything that I want to show you. That is pretty much everything that I've been working on, and I'm just proud of myself because I've come such a long way from when I started, and I'm only going to get better from here. But it feels great knowing that I can document where I am in my journey right now, where you guys can see my progress over the time, where I can see my own progress over time. Like me looking back on when I first got my serger sewing machine. When I first bought my serger machine, I didn't even know. I was looking at it, it was just so foreign to me. I didn't know how to use it, didn't know how to thread it. I didn't know anything about it at all. And now I do. Now I can use it confidently and create garments out of it. And it just makes me proud. Your girl, the next time that I come give you guys an update, we're gonna be levels up. We're gonna be levels up from where I am right now. It's levels to this shit, okay? And I can't wait to elevate higher, okay? I am thankful for where I am at in my journey, but I'm just excited to see where I can go from here. Because if I'm in this headspace right now and I'm making things that never even thought that I could make. I'm just proud. It's just a proud moment. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for really taking time out of your day to come up here and watch content that I created. It really does mean a lot to me. If you haven't already, be sure to follow me on my Instagram at Coco Dumpling and follow me on all of my other social media so you can always stay up to date with this little thing right here. And always remember to walk in your purpose, stand in your truth, and keep those vibes high. And I'll see you guys in next week's video.